Welcome to another brand new episode of my podcast, I with me and you. I welcome Rupal Thakkar, a self love coach and influencer, and a tarot card reader. So, Rupal, once again, we welcome you in this wonderful show.
Thank you.
Most welcome. I feel before we move on to the discussions and the queries again, which I have, I would like to share my views, my self love journey with you.
Sure.
With your permission, I am just narrating it so that it becomes easy for the viewers to understand what things are all about. Today, I am doing podcasting at this stage. You are smiling, I know that. But I feel the journey, you know the journey very well.
Yes.
Myself,
But I want to help viewers understand how you came here. Sorry, I become the podcaster. Sorry, guys.
no problem, no problem about
But I
that.
really want you to tell them your story. How did this happen?
Yes, it did. I told you in the very first episode we did with self love. When you told me to write a love letter to myself, I feel that was the very first question was thrown at me to make me understand my self-worth.
And
Believe me.
and
And
after that?
after that, that's the journey I'm saying. And it is then I understood where I'm standing.
And how did you come to podcasting?
That is what I'm saying. And that thing, when you said, after that, the journey that took place with you of self love, and how you have totally dug deep inside the sessions that went through, and how I removed all the blockages at every moment. The sessions I had with you, the questions, the sometimes forcing also, I have to take it out. It is not that you told me to do something. I did it from myself, but yet I feel you need that guidance, that coach that will excavate your inner self. You excavated me, I always say. Though you will now say, no, Shravani, you walked your path. Yes, I am walking my path. I walk the talk. Again, you told me this. Quote it.
Yeah.
And from that journey, since I was, I'm still not was, a travel influencer also, because I love traveling. You have seen that. And that journey and how you totally narrowed it down, which I have found it myself. And then the journey of being a podcaster came. And I remember I just called you to say, Rupal, I've just got it. Then you said, what did you get it? You are very hard. I know you are hard because you want some good things to come out of me. I said, Rupal, I got it. What good things I've got, the benefits I have drawn from these sessions of yours, and how I have become a podcaster. Becoming confident, facing the camera, talking, arranging things. And many people can do many things. Coming in front of the camera is nothing for many people. But when you narrate something very positive and you want other people to get the benefit out of it, I feel very few people have the audacity of doing it. What do you
And I
suggest?
can't really take my eyes off you. I'm not looking at the viewers or the camera at all. I'm only looking at you, wondering, wow, this is so beautiful.
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much for being so receptive.
I am. I'm always and I will always be. Something which is always good, it has changed my life altogether. In fact, my life means I'm talking about my life.
I really want to thank you for making self love so available to so many people.
That is my
And
mission is now.
after you told me I'm making a podcast, I want to, guys, announce my podcast here. All right. I will definitely get out with the name very soon. But I told her that I want to do my own podcast. And you're talking to somebody who was camera freakingly, crazily scared off camera. And today I'm sitting here with her just because she's pushed me, come on my podcast, I've come. And today I realize how much healing has happened being in self love. There was a time when I look at the camera, I could not speak. I could freeze. I could not speak. I would lose my words, my thoughts, my identity, everything, as if it's a lion eating me up. All thanks to her. She showed me how much work has already happened. So
How
I
much of
think how much you
thanks.
have manifested me, I have manifested you.
That is what, this is the balance we talk about. And I becoming a podcaster because I have a mission now.
Yeah.
Not only, this self love is the worth we give it to ourselves. And no matter whatever profession we belong, we can come from any streams of the society, any
Very true.
profession.
Very true.
You don't need a particular thing to be there. Because without self love, I think we cannot achieve the goals we desire.
Yeah. So basically, what is self love? It's also a philosophy, a way of living, a way of thinking. It is not once you become a self lover, then you're off the world or you become a healer or anything like that. No, it's just a philosophy one steps into to lead a life they would desire to have.
So, how
Self
do
love
you?
gives me wings, like Red Bull gives me wings.
Yes. Self love give me wings. This feeling of happiness, the joy, I think it completes. Without that, you cannot be successful in any sphere of life you follow, no
True,
matter whatever profession you're into.
true.
I'm repeatedly saying this because I am into a profession. You know that. I have my own, style and wardrobe and those collection segment. But coming into podcast, understanding my mission of making people realize the values I have got. I
Yeah,
want to inculcate these values to the viewers and let
beautiful.
people, get the benefits out of it. So it is again a choice of the viewers. I know in my podcast I've invited you as a guest, but I become the much more speaker. You are the host right now, and you are asking me. But I think I needed to share this journey of mine because people need to know once again.
And again, you deserve it all the bit.
Thank you.
All of the
Thank you.
bit, you deserve it.
Thank you. Thank you. I think we are too much into ourselves. I am so much into myself and understanding the values. Please share the important pathways of valuing ourselves. I think our viewers need to know that also.
Yeah.
Because you have given me the pathway, a vision. Just what we say, maybe a hello, or what the pathway is like of valuing our self worth.
Yeah.
Why it is important, how we can prioritize that.
That is why I said you deserve every bit of it. Because we all feel we don't deserve it. We don't deserve it. We've been told when you do this, you will get this. That is our programming. And that is why our worth is so down. Is because every time we don't do something, we think we don't deserve it. We don't deserve good. But as Louise Hay, the writer of this book called You Can Heal Your Life, a self-help masterpiece. Okay?
Yes, yeah, I
Yeah?
have read that.
Yeah. In that she says you deserve all the goodness just because you exist.
This
Can
is
you
what we deserve.
imagine? Yes, you can deserve everything you think you deserve. Isn't it beautiful?
It is, it is.
Yeah. That's my worth.
The
My worth
beauty.
is, yeah, my worth is I'm precious. I'm
Yes, I
precious.
am precious.
And I can only decide it for myself now in the given situation. That is what we call as affirmations. What is an affirmation? Everything we speak is an affirmation.
The daily talks, whatever we
Everything. And how many times have we said, ye nahi ho paega,
do.
ita hote parbe na, I can't do this. How many times have you said, I can do this, ye ho jayega, আমি করতে পারবো, এটা হয়ে যাবে? How many times? It's a matter of your choice now. And I want to help people understand that a matter of one choice can make a change in the way you feel. A proactive shift of thought. The moment I feel low, I say something good to myself. I deserve every bit of the goodness. I deserve to feel good. Everybody deserves to feel good at all moments. All.
But do
Even the
people
bad
realize
ones.
that?
You and I are here to guide
Yeah,
them.
we are. That's the thing. I
You and
feel.
I are here to guide them.
Um,
And thank you. I really want to thank you. Not just for the opportunity here, but for telling me that I'm absolutely ready now to face the world through the lens of the camera.
I would love to see
I
you like
really want to
that.
make a heart.
Please. This is really very nice. I wanted this because without self love, without valuing yourself, this heart, the role of this heart is very important. We don't
All
value
these
this.
years, I have been thinking I look like this, I talk like this, I feel like this. Even when I was on the journey of self love, I have not been able to accept myself. But today I am pushed. Actually, I accepted myself long back, maybe, but I did not get a chance to interact in front of the camera and with somebody like this. I'm really hell bent of taking our mission of self
Yes,
love
yes, it's our mission, right?
together for another podcast. And something just tells me the name. Can I say it?
Please,
A
most
small
welcome.
birdie came and told me the name right now.
Wow, that's wonderful.
It's called the Rupal Self Love Thakkar Show.
Oh, wonderful. It's wonderful.
I just
Please.
thought of the name, saying, what could it be? What could it be? I mean, it has to speak of self love in the first place, but it is my show as well.
Yeah, yeah.
So जितना
Definitely.
सेल्फ लव इम्पोर्टेंट है उतनी रूपल भी इम्पोर्टेंट है. So the रूपल सेल्फ लव ठक्कर शो इज लाइक अ परफेक्ट नेम.
तो सेल्फ लव रूपल के बिना कंप्लीट नहीं होगा.
सेल्फ
सेल्फ
लव
लव
रूपल
तो
के
बॉडी
बिना.
चाहिए, दैट फिजिकल प्रेजेंस इज देयर. सो देन द सेल्फ लव कम्स.
या सो सेल्फ लव एंड रूपल आई थिंक दोनों अकेले हैं. जब साथ मिल जाते हैं तो मजा आ जाता है. सेम वे if I'm waiting, okay, I'll first I will look this, then I will shoot a thing. All this while I was thinking that only. I don't know how I look in the camera. My belly looks, my hair looks, my face looks, my eyes look, my words. What am I going to say? But when I came to your podcast, I was like, "Arey yaar, this is easy peasy, yeah. I can do this.
Of
Why
course you can.
not?"
Why not? If I can do it, being behind the camera, most of my events I was also there. But now I feel I need to tell people, show it to the world, that this is a wonderful journey they can embark on.
Yeah. And there is one podcast that I had recorded like on audio,
Okay.
which is called Universe Speaks.
Just the company, which
No, Universe is the company that I
Okay,
own.
yeah, I know that.
Speaks. And the universe starts with a Y-O-U. So when you speak, the universe speaks.
Okay, then whoever is saying it is that person is belonging to
Yeah.
it.
And there are only 2 episodes. And that's just recorded some 1.5 years back.
Right.
It is on Spotify. You can type Universe Speaks and you can find that out.
Okay.
And trust me, I didn't know what to say. I mean, I was so scared even of recording a podcast because I was scared of people looking at me. How would I look? How would this look? And I was looking for perfection.
But now you really don't care.
No, I really do understand that I am fit for it now. I have left all these calculations behind and I just flow with life and flow with Shravani's show, which is called I
With me
and
you. So that is what. So I don't think so. Any other things we need to discuss. But yes, after affirmations, since we were following the affirmations path, what is that after that we do? It is the ingratitude part.
Yeah. So, what is an affirmation? Basically, you've been told a lot of times something. Now, your brain has recorded that, and that has become a way of life. So, you have to take out something which is not playing okay in your head, the cassette that has bad volume or bad words. You don't like it anymore. So, now you can place it with a self love cassette or a record that will play, that will tell you that you're good and all things positive. Today, I may do, I am love. I am loved and accepted everywhere I go. I am perfect the way I am.
Means I'm programming my mind, my
This I am
heart.
programming my mind constantly when I am thinking like that and when I'm saying that.
Hmm.
So that then becomes a part of me in reality, like how I have transformed from a camera fearing person to a camera friendly person. I have been told this a lot of times that you're extremely confident. How is it that you don't look scared? Actually, I never looked scared, but that thing was fed inside me that I don't look good, I don't look good, I don't look good, I am very fat, I don't look good. So that was a programming by someone. Okay? That person thought probably that is how I would change. But today I have become matured. I have become self love. Self love is equal to maturity as well, right? I've become mature to understand what is good for me, and I am there to make a choice for myself as well. I choose positive affirmations to program or reprogram my mind so that I can do better in life. We were discussing in the first episode,
Episode.
remember,
Hmm.
how self love can change you. This is how. Take one affirmation for 21 days and say it.
It was wonders.
It works wonders. It will reprogram your mind from something that you don't need to something that you want to become.
Wonderfully, because I tell you
Thank you.
what, we humans, we need to be programmed because we don't come with any instructor manual. But the mobiles and everything are so well programmed with all the software and everything. Why don't we realize, we humans, that we can program ourselves? You know, the Almighty have created us with all the inputs needed. Everything is fitted inside. But we don't take care. We always need some help to push it from outside.
So the brain is the hardware
Yes.
and the thoughts are the
Software.
software, right? We can change the software, right? Yeah.
Yeah.
For the computer, the brain to function in a certain way, we can do that, right? We
We
can
can
just
easily
keep
do it.
saying, yeah, we can just keep saying that every single day, and then that becomes a way of thinking, of life, that becomes a
That means we
path.
should recharge ourselves every day, thinking with the
Yes,
affirmations, programming ourselves.
true,
And this will help us in our daily course, our daily life,
true.
our profession as well, our family as well,
Any aspect.
anywhere, anywhere. Because we have
Whatever
so
you
much.
choose, an affirmation can be made. Like if I have ill health, like how you see my body,
Mhm.
there's going to be a transformation every single day from bad to good. If I keep saying, I am fit, I am healthy.
Whatever we are saying.
So, at whatever body weight you're seeing me at, people cannot move, can't think of moving from their bed.
Very true.
Yeah. But today I'm running it because I know nothing is there. I'm fine.
You're just like normal. That's what I'm saying.
Yeah.
You're moving, rising up the stairs, doing all your daily chores, attending all the things and all, because it's all due to self love.
Yeah. It's all due to understanding that I can do it. That's the programming. No, I can do it. I can do it. I can do
That's
it.
the affirmations we need to give it to
Yes.
ourselves.
Yes. I always trusted that I can do it. So I did it. And that's how much worthy you are. You deserve every bit of the goodness. And why look anywhere else? Give it to yourself. You deserve it all.
Now tell me, Rupal, only one thing I wanted to know. Why is that we humans has been infused with so many good traits, but yet the goodness has to be injected, whereas the negative aspects are understood. We take it and grasp it so fast.
So, easiest way to understand that would be, as I said before in the podcast before this, it's a matter of choice.
Absolutely.
In a plate where your favorite dish is and something bad is, what will you choose?
Obviously, the good one.
The good one. So, at a given point in time, you always have a choice. Make a choice to love yourself.
So this is the goodness we are talking about, viewers, and I feel this has been a wonderful session. Again, I feel this is not a podcast because we have been discussing the inner traits and everything, and I feel the viewers are very much keen in knowing much more in detail, and definitely Rupal is there to guide you all. And please share your valuable comments and views because it will be helping both of us to rise up and help and guide you further in all the future podcasting. Thank you, Rupal,
Thank you
for
so much.
coming here. Thank you.